Hello friends, once again welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about actually how to merge video and audio. Audio actually uh, it is going to be external. I mean that we have to add extra audio to our video, and thus we can remove the sound of original video, original sound from our video, and just we can add external audio track to our that video. It means we are going to combine external track and video together. So how to go for that? Let's see practically. Let's go for new project. Let's import one video file here. Let's import here one audio file, and if we want to have the one picture at the last, then we can have here one picture like, and after that let's drag them. So here is audio file. So for this audio file we have to drag to just beneath of this timeline area that you can see a drag and drop audio here. So let's drag this audio file over here. So finished, we can see here. And so since this video it contains its own sound, like we can we can see its own sound. So what we want to remove this audio track of video. For that, actually in previous videos we have already discussed. Just go to audio and just uncheck it and click done. As you press done, then what happens? It's audio track actually it is removed, and this external pure magic, I mean that soundtrack, it is added to our video. So let's play it. Now we can see there this audio it is being played, and this video or audio track it is removed. So this is how we can add audio and the video and the image, all these files in same place. It's very simple to understand. I think you understood what I mean to say there. uh, and nothing more we have to do here, and after that click export video, and it will combine all those files and will make one file, and we can use somewhere. Thank you guys for your time. In next video we'll be talking some more about this. Till then, take care, goodbye, stay positive.